What's up, you guys? It's your girl JaquishaLatisse, and welcome back to my channel. This time I'm doing a hair review. It's been long overdue, so yeah, I'm doing a hair review. And y'all know back in the day I used to get hair from UNice hair.com, and y'all, I was able to snag a wig, y'all. Yes, a wig, because y'all know I used to buy the bundles and the closure. So yeah, I was able to snag a wig. So y'all, before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now let's get into it, y'all. So this is how the hair came in the box. Love this upgraded packaging. Yeah, it's so cute. Plus pink is cute. So here we open it up, and it comes with some nails, a band to lay the wig. And y'all, we don't need a band this time because we don't need to lay it because we're not gluing anything down. And then it comes with the HD wig cap, and I'll be using this today because I've got my hair in 2 little braids. And y'all, disclosure, sorry if I sound stuffy, sound sick. I found out I had COVID a couple of days ago, but I'm like not feeling the symptoms anymore, so yeah. So it comes with the HD cap, I'm gonna use it today. And then of course, the wig. Y'all, so when I saw this wig, I was like, I have to get it. The wig comes in a bag with the net. And it is, okay, so this is a elastic band as well in the wig bag. And then here is the wig. Y'all, so it comes the lace is already pre-cut. And the knots are already bleached, so you shouldn't have to do too much. But here is the wig, y'all. I believe this is an 18-inch. So excited because I don't wear wigs like that. I've made wigs, as you guys have seen on my channel. And I will wear them every now and then. So this is the wig. So I did buy some lace tint in case. I bought it from the beauty supply, but I don't think I need it because it looked like it might just either A, match my skin tone, or the wig cap match the wig cap. So it has 2 combs on the inside. 3 combs actually. 3 combs on the inside. So let's see.
Celestial messengers reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds.
Believe me. On the side, keep it together. Okay. So it's kind of like a middle part. I was trying to get it to the side because I like a little side part. It's cute. It's cute. So you can see the lace a little bit, but barely. They already, like I said, let's try to zoom in a little bit. Okay. Okay, y'all, so as you can see the lace a little bit, but not really, y'all. Mainly you can see the wig cap right there. But y'all, okay. Okay. It looks nice. So yeah, it's not moving any. Let me refocus. So yeah, y'all. So it's not moving or anything after I secured the clips underneath the brown cap. Yeah, y'all, it's cute. I love it. Okay, you can wear it as is. Of course, you can wet it, put some mousse in it, or whatever, however you want it. You can tease it, make it bigger, make the curls bigger, diffuse it, however you want. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. It is cute. Hey girl, this is cute. So I think this was like, I can't remember exactly the color. So let me look. So of course that was easy to install as well, y'all. That just took me like 5 minutes. And so it's not moving, it's like fit to my head, it's not like moving back or anything. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that moving. But if you do, they put the elastic band in the package as well. You can put that, so that can help from it from moving. So yeah, y'all, so okay, so this is what I got, y'all. So it is the Bye Bye Knots wig 7x5 glueless lace brown glueless lace 180 density honey brown highlights jerry curl wig. So this is what I got, and this is okay. It's what I got, and it's exactly what was pictured. And here's the girl pictured. So yeah, it's actually like that. Looks so cute. I love it. Okay, y'all. So yeah, I was trying to get them to give me a code for you guys, because I know some of you guys used my code last time, and but I haven't heard back from them. If they do, I will leave it. I will pin it in the comment section. But yeah, y'all. So I like this wig. It's like I said, it took me like 5 minutes, if that, to put it on. So here is it, 360 glueless. You could just put it on and go. It was already pre-plucked, so you didn't have to pluck the lace or cut the lace at all. Pre-plucked and too many damn P's. Pre-plucked and pre-cut lace. So yeah, y'all. So yeah, I love it. It's so cute. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!